Alright, what's up YouTube? Dapper Dan here. Another beautiful day here in Colorado. It's not too bad, but it's definitely a little cold, but not too bad. I'm already missing the warmer weather. I forgot to put on my windshield again. So yeah, I've been riding to work while I can. It's definitely gotten a lot colder though, and less fun to ride. It'll be super cold in the mornings, and then the afternoons will be bearable. Yeah, so I need to get what I really need to do is get a bike with heated hand grips or something, because that would be super nice. Yeah, we had that big snowstorm a little while back, and there's a little bit of snow left on the ground in like shaded areas, but it's kind of melted now. The snowstorm did help the fires a little bit, but they're still going at the time of this recording. It's slowed them down for sure, and the melting I'm sure is helping a little bit, but they're still going. You can see there's no smoke in the sky right now, which is very good. But yeah, so the fires are they're still going, but I don't know, I mean, I think the snow helped a lot. Some people are saying it didn't help that much, but it helped the smoke at least. So yeah, I need to winterize my riding gear. Heated gear is definitely the best way to go, in my opinion. Or if you don't have a long ride to work, like if your commute is only 15 minutes, you'd be fine with just normal gear. But if it's longer than anything longer than 15 minutes, you will definitely get cold, and you would want some heated gear. I need to invest in some, or just get I don't know, the fairing helps a little bit, but it's still kind of cold. Or the windshield, I should say. Windshield helps a little bit, but it's definitely pretty cold. If you're going to be hardcore riding throughout the winter too, definitely get some heated gear. If you're going to be commuting, I would say get heated gear and charge it at your work. Let your work pay for the electricity. That's what I would do. That's what I should do. Get some heated gear and charge it at work. And but yeah, I mean, if you're gonna be just like, oh, there's one nice day a week, we'll ride that day, then you probably don't need some heated gear. Heated gear is pretty expensive too. Like heated gloves, they're like close to $100, and I imagine like heated vest or whatever, I imagine that's way expensive. But yeah, for me, I just I ride when I can during the winter, and layer up. That helps me. And your outermost layer, you want something that's windproof, because the wind, that's what makes you cold, the wind getting in. Heated gear is definitely a luxury though, but I think most people could get away with heated hand grips and some kind of windproof outer jacket. But yeah, you guys see me riding all slow because I need to fill up soon. Right now, 160 miles, that's usually when I fill up. It'll do 180 before it runs out of gas, but I don't like to get it that close. And I'm trying to get it to the really cheap gas station that's near me. But we got like 5 miles, so we should make it, hopefully. Popo. Don't look at me. I didn't do nothing wrong. And yeah, so I don't want, especially on winter gas, I don't want to make it go that long, because I know my truck at least gets horrible gas mileage on the winter gas, on the winter blend. I don't know what they put in it, but it gets horrible gas mileage. So I imagine it's the same with motorcycles. I really hate the winter blend of gas. I don't know why they have to do that. I probably have a half gallon left. We'll see. I don't want to run out of gas. It's $1.95 right here, but closer to where I'm at, it's like $1.70 something. Oh, $1.98 right here. And then this other gas station I'm gonna pass, it's like $2.05 or something. That's weird. Why would you tint the rest of your window but not the little sliding window? That's a weird decision. Yeah, see it, this one is $2.05. No, $2.09. Nope. Definitely nope. 163. We should make it, hopefully. We've probably got another 3 miles. Alright, we should make it. 164 now. Probably have exactly a mile to that gas station too. Just gotta be real easy on the throttle. And like here, we can see the light ahead of us is red, so well, it was red, so there's no need to accelerate really fast. There we go. $1.89. That's getting better. Hey, there's Deadpool. I don't know if you guys can see him. There's the Deadpool guy. He's pretty famous around here. I'm surprised he doesn't make videos. Alright, 165.5. We probably have another 3/4 of a mile. There's Little Caesars. I'm starving. Someday I'll make a video on how to take a pizza on a motorcycle. But not today. We'll definitely use Little Caesars because it's cheap. So it's only $5. If it falls off, then it's not a big deal. 166. Probably got a half mile to the gas station I want to go to. Maybe a mile. Let's see, what are we at here? $1.83. See, that's what I'm talking about. It gets cheaper the more you go this way. Alright, coming up here is the second cheapest gas station. Oh yeah, we got plenty of gas. We should make it. This is $1.82. Alright. And I guarantee the one up here, about a half mile, is $1.81. They're usually just barely cheaper. 167. Alright, we're good. We got like a third of a mile now. Unless we have to gun it through this light. Which, we're good. There we go. Look at that. $1.79. That's why I'm going to this one. $1.79. This one is the cheapest. Alright, we made it. Even if it would die here, we can push it the rest of the way. Hey guys, thanks for watching this short little random video. If you guys liked today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And if you really liked it, go ahead and share it with a friend. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Later.